Hello dolls and gents, and welcome to another video. And don't nobody come for me. Don't come for me. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Got my hair done yesterday. I don't have no makeup or nothing, okay? But I wanted to come to y'all and show y'all this hair. So this is the bonnet. Thank you to you guys that told me about these bonnets. I actually have 2 of them. And so this is the bonnet that I sleep in. It doesn't really help a lot in the shower because I need to wash my back. So most of the time I just tie it up in the shower and try to put like a scarf around it or use a regular bonnet to kind of hold it up so I can wash my back, and that's what I normally do. But it does help when I'm sleeping. So this is Crochet. Take the rubber band out. This is Crochet. And I wanted kind of like ombre hair. So I kind of wanted it to go like blonde, 27, 33. I could not find that anywhere. Every ombre hair that you find is like black and blonde. Black and 27. Black and, y'all know, if you don't know, if this is your first time coming to this channel, welcome. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up with my videos. But if this is your first time coming, you will not catch me in black hair. I don't like black in my face. I would not have even mind if the black was to the bottom. But everything I found, the black is at the top. I don't know, even in wigs, I really don't know why companies do that. Not everybody likes black hair to be their dominant color. I don't like black hair to be my dominant color. I would have even taken like red and then 27 and then 613. But when I tell you I went to like 3 stores, looked online, looked on Amazon. If I could create hair, I would be rich. Okay? Because I see a lot of people out here in blonde hair and stuff, and I know they don't like black hair, and you have to go through this. So I ended up having to buy 2 packs of hair so she can mix it. I started to have her mix 3 colors, but then I felt like that may be a bit too much to mix 3. So I just bought 2. Y'all, it's so funny. I do this every time. If I put the part on my left side, I look so much younger. If I put the part on my right side, to me, if the part, what y'all think? If the part is on my right side, I look older. Did y'all just see that? Let me do it again. This is the right side, because I know how the camera is. I look older. If I move this to me, to the left side, like this is my side, and I already know that. I look younger. It's always been like that. I don't know. What's y'all side? That's why they be like, what's my good side? I know my good side. My good side is my left side. Period. Okay, so this is the hair. The only thing that I found about the hair is it does catch in my stones. So I have to be careful. I'm hoping I can get a month to a month and a half out of this. I'm going to put some mousse on it. I didn't put anything on it yesterday. I am going to put some mousse on it to keep it from getting too fuzzy. I already see little strings, and that's what I did not want. Surprising, because this hair is by Bobbi Boss, and Bobbi Boss is supposed to be a very good name brand company. It says 18 inches. It does not feel like 18 inches to me. It stops right below my bra. Okay, I'm not mad about it. I did not want really long hair anyways. Like, I saw some 32-inch hair, so I did not want really long hair anyways, so I'm not mad about it not feeling like it's 18 inches. But if you get this and you want it to be really long, the 18 inches stops right after your bra. I would expect 18 inches to just go like probably to my butt. So this is what it looks like. It's the Bobbi Boss French tips, because it's got like little curls on the tips, and that's what I was looking for. I didn't just want to do like straight hair anymore. As you can see, this is kind of curly, and then it's got these tips on the end, these curly tips on the end. Normally I just do straight down hair, but I wanted some type of structure, some type of design to the hair. Okay, so I got these French tips, 18 inches. It is pre-looped. So the crochet was easy. She was done in 2 hours, including braiding my hair down. My girl do not play. Like I told y'all, she come. I watch my recorded shows with her. We usually watch 911, either the one with Angela Bassett or 911 Lone Star. If it goes further, we watch both. We talk about it. We have a good time. It says natural texture, remarkably natural look, and soft to the touch handling. Excellent hot water setting. So you can set this in hot water and make it, I guess, more curly. I don't want it any curlier than what it is. Like I told y'all before, it comes in T1B27, which is black and 27. It comes in T1B30. It comes in T1B burgundy. They put that black in there. They don't even care. It comes in 18, 24, and 36. Like I said, I got 18 because I did not want it too long. If you want to look on Amazon or something, you don't have a beauty supply store near you. This is the French tips. It's the New Locks, N-U, New Locks. New Locks French tips. I bought 4 packs. Whoa. I'm dropping stuff that I want to show y'all. I bought 4 packs. As you can see, she had half a pack left, but do not forget that my head is shaved. I haven't brushed it. I just woke up. My head is shaved, so 3 packs and a half was enough. I don't like a lot of hair. She actually could have used 1 less pack to me. She could have used 1 less pack and I would have been okay. But I guess she wanted to make sure it's full. I'm not dissatisfied. I have never been dissatisfied with her work. This is the same lady. I'm going to put her information down below, but she is just local, SLJ Braids. I'm going to put it down below in case. I do know a couple of people follow me that do live in my area. So, the hair was from the beauty supply store, $17.98. About $7 a pack. I got 4 packs. They were about $7 a pack. She charged me $17.98 for the 2 number 27s and then $17.98 for the 2 number 613s. So my total with tax came out to $38.40. So that's not bad, $38.40. Actually, I thought it was bad. I thought the hair for what you get in the packs could have been like $5.99 instead of $6.99, but whatever. It got the job done. I didn't, sometimes you spend way more than that on this hair. So I thought that was bad, but not too bad. And she charged me $60 to do it, which was not bad at all. So it's like for almost $100, my hair is done, usually for a little over a month and a half. I could keep it in longer, but I don't like to keep it in longer. But usually about a month to a month and a half, my hair is done and I don't have to worry about it. And it's like $100 between the hair and paying her, and she comes to my house, so I always tip her. But so a little over $100, but I don't mind. I don't have to leave my home. Love it. So I'm getting ready to make my oil. This is just an old bottle that I keep to make my hair oil, so I can squeeze it in between. So if you haven't heard of Wild Growth from the beauty supply store, I pour some Wild Growth in the bottle. And Wild Growth works. The only thing about hair is you have to remember sometimes your hair will get used to stuff and you have to switch it up. So sometimes I don't do the Wild Growth. Sometimes I do something else and then I come back to the Wild Growth. Okay, look that up if you haven't heard about it. It's been around for years. There's a white bottle and there is a yellow bottle. The yellow bottle is light and the white bottle is not. I have the white bottle too. I'm going to use some avocado oil. It says for skin and hair. I heard about this either on Facebook or Instagram, that avocado oil is good for your skin or hair. That's the last little bit out of that. So I'll remember that I'm out of avocado oil. I'm going to put some olive oil, which is for hair heals and enriches hair follicles. These are like 99 cents from the hair store. And I still have my black castor oil. I rotate these. Like one day, my hair just eats oil. It's like it's food for it. And argan oil. Argan oil helps make the hair stronger, healthier, nourishes, and protects the hair and scalp. My hair, the oil is like food for my hair. So what I do is sometimes I use this and sometimes I use my Jamaican black castor oil. I probably should put some Jamaican black castor oil in here. I'm going to try that this time. Here's my my Haitian black castor oil. I like to use this at 100% of its capacity, but I'm going to put a little bit in here. And I get this from Ulta, and it's by Creole Essence. I saw them on Shark Tank. If you watch Shark Tank, they were on Shark Tank. So I have everything in here, and I basically shake it up. And I have to be careful because you put too much, and you like one time I went to work, y'all, I had oil running all down the side of my face, about to mess up my work clothes. I was like, oh my God. So now I try to do it at night when I have my bonnet on and anything that's going to run out. This just makes it easier, this tube. But anything that's going to run out can run out. So this is the morning time. I'm going to stick my bonnet back on for a little bit because I'm not going out right away. And then what I do is I kind of rub it into my edges. I have a different oil that I'm using to try to grow my edges. I thought about that Jada Pickett thing, and I'm like, do I have Appalachia? Because I don't care what y'all think. I got receipts. But I've never had, I don't think I've ever had, this side is better than the other side. But in my high school senior pictures, you know how you take your senior photos? Of course, I wasn't wearing wigs or weaves. My hair is done, and I did like a bang. I did like a bang to swoop over here. And my mom, mine may just be hereditary. Mine may just be hereditary because my mom doesn't have hair on the same side as me, I think. I take after my mom so much. From the freckles to the looks to everything. If y'all see my mom on social media with me, I take after her so much. But I don't know. My mom said it's not Appalachia because it will be coming out everywhere in different places. I think it's just something hereditary. I have used different growth products for years, and all of my hair will grow except my sides. And this side is worse than this side. And now, you know, I'm in my 40s. So now I'm at the point where I'm getting to the point where I don't care. You know, now I'm getting to the point where, okay, you know, it's a simple hairstyle to cover it. Look. Now I'm to the point where, like, it's an easy cover-up. I don't really care what people say, because most of the time people don't see it. Y'all only see it in videos like this when I'm doing a hair video or doing my hair. But most of the time, if I'm out in public, baby, people don't see it. And I have this Kiss gel that's the same color as my hair. Dark brown, black. When I walk out that door, you don't know. You don't know at all. But I was just wondering, but I don't think it's Appalachia because I don't lose hair anywhere else. My hair grows all over my head. So it must be just a hereditary thing. But this is my bottle of oil. So what I will do is like every other day or 2 to 3 times a week, because my hair just eats this up like it's food, like a dog eating their food. I will oil my hair and oil my scalp. The next time I get it done, I will come back and show y'all my hair growth, because my hair is like down to here now. I did trim it this time, like I permed it. I trimmed it. Next time I will try to record that for y'all. I want to go to the store and get some dye, and I want to dye the shaved part blonde. And if I dye the shaved part blonde, I will come back and show y'all at the end of this video. If not, this will be the end of it. But more than likely, I got an itch. More than likely, I'm going to shave it blonde. So, yep, I decided to dye my hair, and I actually wish I would have done this before she did my hair. But I tied the crochet up, as you can see after I moved this box. I tied the crochet up with a scarf, and I dyed the lower part of my hair. But I missed, like, right where the scarf is in the back, and you'll see it when I turn around to the back. I did miss some of the hair. It didn't turn out, it turned out closer to the number 27, like a brown. It didn't turn out as blonde as I wanted it, but I didn't want to re-dye it. I may wait 2 or 3 weeks, or I may wait until I get ready to take this out and then dye it again before she does it. But I was okay with it. I get these little itches where I just have to do something to my head, and that's what I did. So you'll see me, look at me just dropping everything. See, this is why I should have did it before I got my hair done, because it's very hard to do this with the crochet in your hair. I don't want it to get on the crochet hair. The crochet hair is synthetic hair. I don't want the dye to get on there. I don't want to mess up my hairstyle. I'm getting it all over the scarf, as you can see. Yeah, next time I will be doing this before I get my hair done, because it was also hard to wash it out as well. I didn't want to wash my entire head. I just needed to wash the dye out. I'm going to take you guys into the bathroom so you can see. Okay, so here we go, and you can see where I put the dye at. And it turned like a light, it looks blonde right there, but it actually, when I washed it out, was more of a brownish blonde. But I was happy with it.